Hello and welcome to my channel. By the title of this video, you already know what we're going to be talking about today. So if you want to know how I turned this headband wig into this beautiful lace closure wig, stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Maria Gibson. You tripping, man.
So we're just gonna get straight into the video. It's pretty late on my end. I just came back from a birthday party and it's winter time and I really like to wear curly hair in the winter time, and I knew I wanted to wear this headband wig, but we just started to have a lot of snow and some rain and my natural hair was not going to keep up with the hairband wig, so I wanted to do something that would give me that look without me messing manipulating my natural hair. The lace is already bleached. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this piece of lace off.
It's young to the beginners.
I know I definitely want the left part, so I don't know if I want to put it in the middle, but if we look in the wig, the middle part of the wig does have this, so I'm thinking about just cutting this much off, and whatever I cut off I'm going to sew in the back of the wig so the wig looks a little bit more fuller, or it can stay as full as it is now. So I'm so nervous and I'm so afraid of like tracks falling off once I cut the wig, but I'll never know if I don't try it. So here it goes.
It's young to the beginners.
Okay, so my first cut is going to be here. So now my first cut is going to be here, so I'm just going to snip right here so I know that's where I'm going to cut, to have a snip right there. And then I'm going to measure all the way in to see how far down I'm going to come into the wig itself. So from here I'm going to cut down all the way here. Now I'm just gonna cut here. And it's important to just sew on the track. So the track that I cut right here, those are the ones that I'm actually sewing on, because what the thing is, I don't want it to fall apart, so I'm using each piece of that cut track to sew onto the closure. Just going to sew this side, doing all of this to align with all of this, and expect the head to shed after this, because you just cut it. Look what's happening. I just lost this piece of hair right here. Okay, so this is the results of the hair. And I love how it looks. I'm gonna play with it, put some conditioner in there, and just get the curls to pop a little bit nicer than what it is now. And I will insert some pictures tomorrow when I wear the hair. Thanks for watching this video. You guys rock. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Weather just started to change on me, so I wanted something to put all of my hair in. And so I thought, I have this water wave closure. Let's try it and see, you know, how I can best preserve my natural hair. So this hair I'm wearing is from Mutinous Beauty. It's a water wave headband wig that I turned into a closure wig. And also the closure was also a water wave closure that I had here. Both hair was from Mutinous Beauty. The only difference was you could see the closure was a little more brown than the actual headband wig. All I did is just manipulate the cutting. I am wearing this wig in a bit up a little bit because, like I said, the weather just when it's cold or when it's rainy, I just like to put my hair up. I'm just going to give you a full close-up look at the hair. This is what it looks like. It has a beautiful lace there that I have going on. I have my hair just gelled under here. My edges are gelled, and I'm wearing my wig band under here just to kind of keep. I do have it just in a rubber band in the back here. Just to kind of, you know, get it off of my face a little bit. If you have any other ways that you have turned any other wig into a lace closure wig, please comment below so I can try it out and others can see that comment and kind of pick up the ideas and run with it as well. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. As always, thanks for coming back. Please like this video and share if it's going to be beneficial to someone else. Also, before we go, I want to give a quick shout out to Make This Beauty on Instagram for this beautiful hairband that I'm wearing. I got it around Christmas time last year, and it just added the right amount of glam to my Christmas and New Year attire. So I just love it. I just love the life that it brings to my new year, and just exciting piece of accessory it brings to my hair. Just going from this to this. That's life, right? So I love it. Another thing is these earrings that I'm wearing. They're rose gold earrings that I'm wearing, also from Meekness Beauty. And this beautiful Map of Africa's chain. I do have this also in rose gold, but right now I'm just wearing the gold one. I appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel. And like I always say, it just encourages me to continue to make videos to help us grow here as a team, as a family, and as YouTubers. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. Bye for now.